an ancient Okinawan trick to a gout-free life. Have been diagnosed with gout? Are you experiencing any of the following ailments? Excruciating pain in joint areas of the extremities, including arms and legs? Is pain so severe that you are afraid to move or even to get off the couch or bed on some days? If you identify with any of these concerns, then I urge you to watch this video very carefully. I must warn you, however, that what you will be watching next will shock you. Because the truth is, gout can be taken care of more safely, much more inexpensively than the healthcare advisors let on. Below are 4 common gout-related myths. 1. Thinking that gout is a lifelong illness. 2. Believing that gout is caused by uric acid. 3. Gout only affects the big toe. 4. Eating vegetables and other high-purine foods increases uric acid production, leading to gout. Introducing the Gout Eraser, your guide to removing the pain fast guaranteed. A precise approach to experience long-lasting gout relief and freedom. Here is what you can expect to find in the Gout Eraser system. 1. The true nature of gout. You will learn why it is so common and what these pains are trying to communicate to your body. 2. A home solution that relieves pain all naturally. Add the right remedy into your daily diet along with some other specific items, and you will find a sense of calm and tranquility that goes beyond your gout-related issues. 3. Sophia's secrets that dial back the clock on your body ills. An Okinawan secret system to rid your joints, muscles, tendons and nerves of tense energies that builds up every time you experience a throbbing jolt of pain from your gout. Unlike conventional methods that simply mask symptoms, we seek to actually heal, rebalance body. Most importantly, the Gout Eraser is 1. Incredibly effective, get rid of your gout fast guaranteed. 2. Easy and simple. Anyone can follow the instructions laid out in our foolproof guide. 3. 100% natural. It is 100% safe and natural, without any drugs or medications. Say goodbye to your gout in 7 days flat. Click link in video description to download the Gout Eraser system now.